Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you love learning smart tricks, make sure to subscribe. Open Canva. Click on Video. Choose Landscape Video. Go to Element. Click on Recently Used. Duplicate. Duplicate. Click on Flower, then rotate. Go to Text. Select Heading. Write text. Choose Font Style. Duplicate text. Write text. Click on Square. Drag with mouse. Do big. Change color. Go to Text. Change font color. Choose Font Style Gogolin. Click on BG Remover. Duplicate page. Go to Position. Right-click. Duplicate page. Duplicate page. Choose Match and Move Transition. Apply to all pages. Choose Timing. Go to Share. Click Download.